Hey everyone, what's up? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom audience so that you can target people in your ads. And the target audience for this is going to be people who have actively engaged with your Facebook page so that you know that they're people who are actually interested in what you're offering, whether it's your product, your service, your information. It's just an easy way to get in front of people who have proven to be interested in your stuff. So to start off with, what we're actually in is the ads manager. So if you don't know where that is, go to business.facebook.com/ads manager, or you can go to facebook.com/ads/manage, and it'll take you right here. And what you're going to do is on the top left here, there's the ads manager button. And you can scroll down and click all tools if this doesn't show up immediately for you. Mine is under frequently used because it's something I frequently use, and it's audiences. You can also click on audiences under assets over here. So what you're going to do is wait for it to load. And I'm just going to show you how to create this. So I'm going to go to create audience, go to custom audience. And what I'm going to do is, how do you want to create this audience? I'm going to go to engagement and click on that. I'm going to go to Facebook page because we're creating one for the Facebook page. So I'm going to do this for my Chris Hughes audience. Chris Hughes. You'll see here I select the page, and you can have everyone who engaged with your page, anyone who visited your page, people who engage with any post or ad. So you can create custom audiences for each of these things. I hope that the sound's working. I've got the Yeti mic here, and it's just sitting on the table next to me. But what I'm going to do is click on everyone who engaged with your page, and I'm going to change this from 365 to, let's do 45 days. And I'm going to name this Chris Hughes fan page engaged 45 days, and create whatever you want with this. In this case, I'm just creating one for the last 45 days, and it's people who engaged with your page, any type of engagement. And you just click create audience. And what this does is it's going to take a little while to kind of reach out to find all of the people who have previously interacted with my fan page. And the next step to do here, and logically they did a great job with setting this up Facebook wise, is they have you create another custom audience. And what you do is, if you click find new people similar to your existing users, this is perfect because it creates a lookalike audience. And for this case, I'm just going to use United States because that's where most of my fan base is. Audience size, and I like to have it 1%. And the reason for that is because it basically browses through the data. And what Facebook does is they find, like the first step was finding all the people who already interacted with your ads, your posts, your pictures, your videos, your everything. And they compile them into one list. In the lookalike audience here, this audience size right here, this little drag and drop thing, 1%, what this basically does is it finds the top 1% of people who are most similar to the people who have already interacted with your page. So what that basically means is that if person A is interested in my individual page, then it browses through their entire Facebook profile and finds commonalities about these people, and then it searches throughout the rest of the Facebook universe to find other people who match that type of thing, people who would be hopefully the same type of individual or have the same type of interests, so that they're more qualified to see my posts, to interact with my posts, to buy my stuff. But all you gotta do next is click on create audience, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna go out and find those people. And you'll see here, this says it's populating right now. This does take a little while to find because it has to go through, and in this case it's only 45 days, so it's not an incredible amount of data, so I might be able to refresh and see some new stuff, but it is going to be a lot of data. The lookalike audiences are anywhere from 1 to 2 million people, so that often ends up being like a while for it to fully populate. So you do need to give it some time to do that, but once you have this, what you can do is you can use these audiences to target in your ads. And that's a good way to get more of your organic reach going. And you do have to pay. Like you're retargeting an audience that is already engaged with your stuff. And if you're doing this, you could spend like $2 or $3 a day to reach the audience that's most likely to engage and to pick up new fans through that lookalike audience. So that's another way to kind of boost up your engagement and get more people consuming your content and seeing your stuff. But that's it for this video. If you have any questions about custom audiences or leveraging Facebook ads or Facebook pages to grow your business, feel free to ask in the comments section down below. I spend a lot of time doing this kind of stuff. It's one of my expertise. I have over 9 million Facebook fans across all my properties. But that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're on YouTube so that you get more videos just like this. And if you're on Facebook, like my page so that you can see more videos. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.